They kill as many as they can, but they're still coming back, no matter how many bullets they take. Their bullets hit gas tanks, causing environmental instability. They quickly run and get out of there. Tanks explode. Alice and Matthew, still here, get hit. She remembers another glimpse of dealing with someone to bring her the virus. Matthew tries for the key, but it falls into the sewage. Rain and the others keep engaging and going back while some friends are left behind. Kaplan tries to open the passcode door. A half-dead infected on fire tries to get Matthew. He has the key, kicks the half-dead away, and puts out the fire. Suddenly, gas is released due to a leak. Alice gets him and leaves. Kaplan tells him the code after many attempts to remember it. The door opens and it's filled with infecteds. They pull JD in. Rain tries to save him, but in vain, and he's being eaten in front of her. Under this room full of fire everywhere, an animal comes out of a box. Alice, along with Matthew, is passing through those boxes. All corpses are gone somewhere. Kaplan realizes all these people are employees of the hive. When Kaplan turned off the electricity, the doors opened, and they all got out. Rooms are filled with water. There's silence, a sense of someone being here, and Alice proceeding among the elevator's area. She sees boxes are opened and fences are broken, as if what was inside has all gotten out. There's a sound of a door. She focuses to see in the dark. It's an infected dog. It looks scary and comes behind her. She locks herself in. An infected here attacks her. She deftly defends herself and wonders how she did it, remembering what James said about her being a protection officer. She takes a gun. The dog breaks in, and she gets into another room full of many more dogs. She takes all of them out with a single bullet each, and to save herself and kill the last one, she uses a tactical kick. Still wondering, she leaves. Matthew is at the elevators area, sees photos, and is finding something. There's a sudden sound. He finds an ID of a woman, Dr. Lisa. As he searches for something more, he's scared of an infected across the glass. There's a single bullet, and one last magazine is left. They're trying to get in. Someone is behind him. It's Lisa, but infected now. She is killed by Alice. Upon seeing her, Alice has another glimpse, remembering that she is the one with whom she dealt to give her the virus. She is Matthew's sister. He says companies like the Umbrella Corporation think of themselves as above and more powerful than the law. Some people give them intel, some help them, and some are against them, like him. His ID was fake. The police are looking for him, and it was impossible to get into the hive. So he sent his sister to get evidence about the viral and illegal research and experiments being performed here. She was going to bring a sample of the virus through someone who worked here and knew about codes and prevention protocols. He never met him. She didn't succeed because maybe that person wanted to sell this T-virus on the market to spread this apocalypse and get rich. On the map, Alice and Matthew get to Kaplan and others and close the door very hard. No one is coming to save them, and that door at the mansion will shut forever within an hour. The company just wanted to bury this incident here and not let the virus spread out of here. Alice takes the device and is going to turn the queen back on to get them out of here. This same entity that killed their friends will get them out of here. Kaplan starts it. She is here. Rain wants to immediately disable her. The queen says this is a secret discovery. The T-virus was their biggest success to sell it for biologically weaponizing soldiers and earning a lot of profit. Due to this virus, even after death, the human body keeps running. Nails and hair keep growing. The brain keeps running with a slight current. This virus boosts the current in the brain and makes the dead alive again. They can't think and only remember to satisfy their appetite. She killed the employees here because the virus had spread through the air conditioning and had started mutating in everyone differently. Their bites transfer the virus into the victim, and they turn as well. She says they have destroyed her circuit breaker. Alice replies, "For our safety," and she has to get them out of here if she wants to stay enabled. They get into the sewage system. These are tunnels right behind the hive and have water and gas pipelines. Rain says they have to get out of here anyway. The infecteds catch one of them and try to come in. While others stop them, Alice kills a few here and asks them to get up onto the pipe. She kills a few more and gets up. An infected bites Kaplan while another bites Rain. JD, standing in front of her, attacks her. She kills him. The tunnels are empty and clear at some points. Alice has to do something for Rain's wounds. The queen was right about all of them dying here. They must get out of here. Following the pipeline, they proceed and get to a fence. While they break it, the pipeline breaks and infecteds get Kaplan. Alice jumps and the others get her up. Rain can't properly aim to protect Kaplan. Alice kills the main one, and Kaplan gets up to a higher place nearby. He has only a single bullet left. He wants them to leave out of here. They can't kill them. He can't get out of here and wants them to leave and go. They leave, and he keeps the gun in his mouth and shoots an infected one. He will not give up. They pick up the fence and get into a floor level. Matthew supports Rain. Here in the tunnel, animals are present. Alice is on the lead. They pass away. Alice stays here and is looking for something. She can see all employees and the hive before all this, and scientists experimenting on rabbits. Blue is the virus, and green is the antivirus. This virus has an antidote. She'll survive. She leads them to that room. She knows all this because she's the one who knew her sister. She doesn't remember what happened here. She gets into the water. Rain is here as well. She opens the door and gets to where they were kept, but it's empty. The boxes are gone. One of them remembers and has glimpses of who he is. He was keeping an ear and eye on Alice and Lisa. He made out with her and used her to get the virus, and he's the one who did throw it, spread it, and got out of there.